If you want to change the alarm volume on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then we can do this pretty much in two main ways. The first method is to open Settings, then go to Sounds and Vibration. Then over here we can go to Volume, and now here at the bottom, as you can see, we have the alarm slider, so we can move it left and right to adjust the volume for alarms. Another way to change the alarm volume is by going to the Clock app instead. And here in the Alarm app, in the Clock app, by going to Alarms in here, you should be able to tap on these three dots on the right side, and then you can go to Settings. And then in here we have the volume in the Alarm section, where we can adjust the alarm volume in this place. But besides that, as you can see here, we also have the option to set a different volume for each alarm. So if that is the case, then if you go back to Alarms and if you start editing the alarm, then over here we should be able to go to the alarm sound, and you can choose the alarm loudness for a specific alarm in here at the bottom. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.